Welcome, people. We are on Outside Classics. In the middle of nowhere, believe me. We are, as you can see, going somewhere. Almost there. Almost there. Wait a sec. Yep, here's the final point of our destination. Beautiful. First of all, let me grab one important tool from my other car. Vice grips, of course. My plan for today is to install the rear and front emblem restored. Let's open the roadkill lock, enter the car. I'll put my bags here, and in just a second I will show you how the emblem looks. I think, let me say, it's a 2.0 Craigslist hairbrush restoration with a royal gold. Don't forget to open the hood, check the oil level. It's highly important to have oil in the engine, of course. Yep. Kind of moparish stuff. Yeah, grab the stick, and it is somewhere on the bottom of a stick. I think I got something to add in the trunk. We'll be back in a minute. Well, thanks my agnostic god, I had some oil in the trunk. Yeah, let's put the cap aside. By the way, the previous owner told me use only mineral oil here. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. Well, this is the only bottle I got in my trunk. What else I should do? At least I'm adding oil, which is perfect for the engine. Done. Time for the cold start. Key to the ignition. Turn it. Pump is pumping. Yeah, of course I got a screwdriver in the pedal, holding it. Start. Some coffee right now and back to the installation of restored badges. We got 65 pounds of pressure.
2,000 years later.
It's getting darker outside. I need to unscrew at least the rear badge and show you the hairbrushed, some royal gold kind of 2.0 VIP luxurious Craigslist rebuild. No only hand painted stuff. Oh, for what I'm having there, the previous owner put some nuts with their center plastic caps for me to unscrew it easier, I think. No. Loading, unpacking, and revealing. Yeah, look at that. Much brighter. Perfect match. Two more here are holding the main part of the badge. Easy to unscrew it, even with your bare hands. Is the first done? The second almost done. Yep, done. And we are taking the part of a badge apart and put a better restored one. Right now I'll put it in the place, and tomorrow I'll show you how it looks on the car, and tomorrow of course we'll be doing the front one. So see ya all. This is it for today. Bye.